All right, this is my 2004 Civic SIR, otherwise known as an EP3, also known as the worst Civic SI ever made. This one in particular has 333,000 kilometers on it. It's got a little bit of rust, some dents on it. The other thing it has is some RPF 1 wheels. Other than that, this thing is bone stock. My plans are to just have some fun with it, do a little bit of a budget build, and that's about it. So first up we have for mods is this intake here. I got it from Facebook Marketplace. To go with it, I also had to get this little coupler here. So this is a Mishimoto coupler. Just goes right here on the end here. I also got this hydro lock filter, which keeps the water out of the intake because this is routed down into the fender. Yeah, so that's just the hydro lock filter to keep the water off of the intake and suck it up in the engine. The next thing we got here is some spacers. Holy cow. All right, these are the 35mm spacers. These are massive. That's why there's two boxes of them. This is it compared to the two 25mm spacers. So these are for the rear, these are for the front. This is two put in one. So the last thing we got here are some window visors. All right, so these are Racing Bees window visors. Actually, like, do they fit? I was sitting in my room, I'm like, this is a really straight box, and I got really curvy windows, so. Damn. Okay. All right, so now we're going to be installing this intake here and trying to fix this together. Lock it. Why not take it out? Yes. Out of here. Up on through. Did you shave it down with the X-Acto knife? Do it again. Hello. Hello. Oh my God. I'm filming. Get that piece of suitcase. Need to go on vacation? Take that with you. it.